Welcome! Summer's here, so it's time to stop serving sad, burnt sausages and dry burgers. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate arsenal of barbecue recipes to stun your guests. We're talking show-stopping mains, incredible sides, and even a few cheeky cocktails. All maximum flavor, minimum fuss. I've broken everything down into simple chapters, so you can plan your entire feast right here. This is about passion, precision, and food that makes people happy. Transform your backyard into the best restaurant in town. With you at the helm. Grab your tongs, put your game face on, and let's get to it. This is how you do a proper summer barbecue. Let's go. Let's talk ribs. Most people get them wrong. Dry, tough, disappointing. We're fixing that with a slow grill method for fall-off-the-bone perfection. Start with a rub-smoked paprika, brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, salt, and pepper. Massage it in. Wrap the ribs and let them sit in the fridge overnight. Don't skip this. Next day, set up your grill for indirect heat. Coals on one side, ribs on the other. Wrap ribs in foil, place on the cool side, close the lid, and leave for 3 hours. Don't peek. Let the heat do its work. After 3 hours, unwrap. The meat should pull back from the bone. Baste with good barbecue sauce, then grill over direct heat for a few minutes to caramelize. You want sticky, charred, but not burnt. The result? Tender, smoky, flavor-packed ribs that make you a legend. Serve hot and watch your guests lose their minds. This is how ribs are meant to be. No more shoe leather, just pure barbecue glory. Done. Chicken thighs. More flavor, more forgiving than breast. The secret? A bright lemony marinade. Lemon juice and zest, olive oil, minced garlic, chopped rosemary and thyme, salt and pepper. Whisk together, coat the chicken, and marinate for at least 2 hours. Don't go over 6 hours or the acid will ruin the texture. Grill over medium-high heat, 5 to 6 minutes per side, until charred and cooked through. Let rest before serving. What you get: juicy, tender chicken bursting with lemon and herbs. Simple, elegant, and delicious. No more dry chicken. That's how it's done. Need something quick and zesty? Chili lime shrimp skewers are your answer. Dry large raw shrimp, then marinate with lime juice, honey, olive oil, chili powder, garlic, and cilantro. Marinate for just 15 to 30 minutes. No longer, or they'll get tough. Thread onto soaked skewers. Grill over high heat, 1–2 minutes per side, until pink and charred. Don't overcook. Rubbery shrimp are a tragedy. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lime. Serve immediately for a perfect, crowd-pleasing bite. Fast, fiery, and fantastic. Make plenty. These disappear fast. Summer on a stick. That's how you do shrimp. Beautiful. Forget thick, bland burgers. Smash burgers are the way. Use ground beef with at least 20% fat. Flavor and juiciness depend on it. Roll into balls, don't overwork. Sear on a ripping hot cast iron skillet or griddle. Smash flat with a spatula and parchment. Get those crispy edges. Season with salt and pepper. Cook 60–90 seconds. Flip, add cheese, and melt. Toast brioche buns on the griddle. Assemble bun, patty, classic fixings, burger sauce. The result: juicy, crispy, cheesy perfection. This isn't just a burger, it's an experience. Simple, fast, unbeatable. Never settle for less. That's a proper burger. Barbecue isn't just for meat eaters. Grilled portobello mushrooms can be as satisfying as steak. Marinate large caps in balsamic, olive oil, garlic, thyme, soy sauce, and pepper for 30 minutes. Grill gill side up first, then flip. 5–7 minutes per side. Baste with leftover marinade as they cook. Serve whole as a burger or slice for salads. Hearty, savory, and delicious. Impress your vegetarian friends. This is how you do mushrooms, right? flavor-packed and juicy. Stop boiling corn. Let's make elote, Mexican street corn. Grill shucked corn over medium-high heat, rotating for charred kernels. While grilling, prep toppings, mayo or crema, crumbled cotija or feta, chili powder, lime wedges. Once corn is hot and charred, slather with mayo, roll in cheese, sprinkle chili, and squeeze lime. The combo of smoky corn, creamy mayo, salty cheese, spicy chili, and tangy lime is unreal. Messy but magnificent. This is corn on a whole new level. Forget boring butter, serve hot and watch it disappear. Flavor bomb, every bite. Street food magic at home. That's elote. Try it once, you'll never go back. Done. Salad at a barbecue should be a star, not an afterthought. Grill-ripe, firm peach halves for a couple minutes per side until marked and warm. On a platter, layer arugula, torn prosciutto, and grilled peaches. Add creamy burrata in the center. Drizzle with balsamic glaze, sprinkle with sea salt, black pepper, and fresh basil. The sweet peaches, salty prosciutto, peppery arugula, and creamy burrata. Pure summer. It's a work of art. Serve immediately. Stunning, simple, and unforgettable. That's a salad worth serving. Potato salad doesn't have to be bland and gloopy. Grill or boil baby potatoes until just tender and slightly charred. Make a dressing mayo, smoked paprika, Dijon, apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper. Crisp up bacon, slice scallions, and chop celery for crunch. Toss warm potatoes with bacon, scallions, and smoky dressing. Fold gently, don't mash. Serve warm or at room temp. Smoky, tangy, and full of texture. This is potato salad with character. Forget the old version. Bring this to your next barbecue. Game changer. After all that rich food, you need something fresh. Cube ripe watermelon, crumble good feta, and tear fresh mint. Toss together in a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and lime juice. Gently mix, don't mash. Add a pinch of sea salt and black pepper if needed. Chill before serving. Crisp, cool, and refreshing. The perfect palate cleanser. Summer in a bowl. Dessert on the grill? Absolutely. Slice ripe pineapple into rings. Brush with honey and melted butter. Sprinkle with cinnamon. Grill over medium heat. 2 to 4 minutes per side until caramelized. Watch closely. Char, not burn. Serve warm, on its own or with vanilla ice cream. The smoky sweet pineapple and cold ice cream. Divine. Light, simple, and impressive. The perfect barbecue finish. Grill your dessert. Trust me. Sweet perfection. S'mores dip. No more messy, one-by-one s'mores. In a cast iron skillet, layer chocolate chips, then top with marshmallows. Grill over medium-low indirect heat until chocolate melts and marshmallows are golden. Serve hot with graham crackers for dipping. Gooey, chocolatey, and perfect for sharing. All the nostalgia, none of the hassle. Crowd-pleasing and fun. Dessert sorted. Grab a cracker and dig in. Glorious. You've earned a drink. Make it count. Brew strong black tea. Chill it. Mix with fresh lemonade. Homemade is best. Add bourbon or vodka for a kick. Combine in a pitcher with ice. Stir. Pour into tall glasses. Garnish with lemon and mint. Crisp, refreshing, and just boozy enough. The ultimate barbecue sipper. Cheers to summer. Drink up. Watermelon mojito. Summer in a glass. Blend seedless watermelon, strain for juice. Muddle mint, lime, and sugar in a shaker. Add watermelon juice and white rum. Shake with ice. Strain into a glass. Top with soda water. Stir gently. Garnish with watermelon and mint. vibrant, refreshing, and dangerously drinkable. Perfect for a hot day. The ultimate summer cocktail. There you have it, a blueprint for an epic summer barbecue. No more excuses for mediocre grilling. Take these recipes, make them your own, and create incredible food and memories. Share your triumphs and tips in the comments. The best part of cooking is sharing. Now, turn off the screen and light that grill. Get cooking, you legends. Chop chop.